Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is a special series on daily news review. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. The Security and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) has approved the appointment of Ashish Kumar Chauhan as the next Managing Director and CEO of the National Stock Exchange. Ashish Kumar is also the one of the founding member of the NSE. NSE was incorporated in 1992 and it was recognized as a stock exchange by SEBI in April 1993 and commenced operation in 1994. A memorandum of understanding has been signed between Department of Justice and National Legal Services Authority (NALSA) on integrated delivery of legal services, in which NALSA will provide services of 700 lawyers in each district exclusively for tele-law programs. The tele-law initiative is a reliable and efficient e-interface and pre-litigation tool. Tele-law mainstreams legal aid to the marginalized people by connecting them with the panel lawyers through the tele-video conferencing. The empaneled 700 lawyers would also act as referral lawyers and assist in strengthening the mechanism for dispute avoidance and dispute resolution at the pre-litigation stage. NALSA is constituted under the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987 with an aim to provide free legal services to the weaker section of the society and to organize Lok Adalat for amicable settlement of the disputes. The Chief Justice of India is the Patron-in-Chief of NALSA. 52nd BGB, that is Border Guards Bangladesh, and BSF, that is Border Security Force, Director General level conference starts in Dhaka. The conference focuses on the following pillars: border management, smuggling of arms and ammunition, drugs, trafficking of women and children, various developmental activities within the 150 yards of the international border. Discussion on the joint initiative to implement the coordinated border management plan, exchange of information on various armed groups and extremist and terrorist organizations. Both the countries discussed way to enhance mutual trust between the BGB and BSF and further strengthening the existing bilateral relations. 23-year-old Murali Sri Shankar of Kerala has become the first Indian to enter the men's long jump final of the World Athletics Champions, Oregon, USA. India's first elevated urban expressway Dwarka to be operational by 2023. India's elevated urban Dwarka Expressway, also known as the Northern Peripheral Road, which is the part of the Delhi, Jaipur, Mumbai, Ahmedabad arm of Golden Quadrilateral, will be operational in 2023. This is the 29-kilometer long expressway will be a 16-lane access controlled highway with the provision of minimum 3-lane services route on both the sides. It will have 4 multi-level interchanges, including India's longest and widest road tunnel, which will be 3.6 kilometers in length and have 8 lenses. The recent Uber investigation file reveals that a company had deployed kill switches purposely. Let's see what is the case. There was a rape in moving vehicle by the Uber driver. After that case, there was a suspension on Uber for 2 months. Further, regulatory authorities found many discrepancies like VAT return violation, blocking access to data for Indian authorities, and so on. Let's see what is the kill switch. A kill switch is a mechanism used to shut down or disable a device or program. In the manufacturing sector, they are deployed to terminate operation, to arrest damage in assembly lines, or save a worker's life. They serve a similar purpose in the digital world, but instead of hardware, they are mostly software based. The purpose of kill switch is usually to prevent theft of a machine or data or shut down machinery in an emergency. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination 2022-23. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video and do not forget to hit like button, comment your feedback. Also press the subscribe button to never miss any update. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and links are given below in the description box. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.